In this chapter, we'll dive into a few incredibly useful components that, while not directly integrated into our demo app, are powerful tools that you should be familiar with. These components will be showcased on the KendoReact Demos site. So let's head over to Docs and Demos, and you can easily explore them further here. Keep the site open to experiment with these components in one of the editors available in your browser as we walk through them. Let's begin with the editor component right here. And while you're listening to me talk about these, you can feel free to edit in and then go to Code Sandbox or StackBlitz and play around with the code, experiment at your own leisure. The KendoReact editor is a rich text editor, and it allows users to create and manage content in a what you see is what you get environment, or WYSIWYG. With tools for text creation and formatting and styling, the editor enables seamless integration into your application while delivering top-notch performance, and it is pretty quick. The editor features some toolbar tools that you can use. Here's just some of them that are available. There's tools for editing text, managing paragraphs, creating lists, and more. If you want to drop this into your code, you just add the editor component. As always, make sure you import editor into your code, just like we've been doing in this course. You also have full control of selected text. For example, if I select some part of this text in here in the editor, I can access that text. The editor also supports resizing that adjusts the dimensions of the editor and its internal content. Of course, just like all the other Kendo UI components, the editor supports accessibility, keyboard navigation, and globalization as well. The next component I'd like you to know about is the PDF viewer. It's a powerful tool for displaying and interacting with PDF files in your applications. It includes a comprehensive feature set, enabling tasks like navigating through pages, zooming in and zooming out, uploading files from the local file system, downloading, printing, and much more. And with built-in keyboard navigation and accessibility support, the PDF viewer is essentially a component for modern, feature-rich applications. You can also customize the toolbar. This is the toolbar at the top that allows you to execute actions such as page navigation, text search, zooming, downloading, uploading, and printing. All that is customizable. The PDF viewer also exposes some events. That way you can hook into them easily and customize file operations. So with the PDF viewer, you can easily display reports or invoices in a business application. You can integrate it into a document management system for seamless PDF viewing, or you can use them in educational platforms where PDFs are part of the learning material. A pretty useful component. Ah yes, the good old spreadsheet. Now as a component. The spreadsheet is a robust tool that allows users to create and edit and manipulate tabular data, similar to working in Microsoft Excel. It offers features such as column and row resizing, formula calculations, and importing and exporting Excel files. This makes it ideal for applications requiring advanced data handling capabilities. The spreadsheet component ensures high performance and seamless integration with your application and other KendoReact components. To drop in the spreadsheet component, it's as easy as adding in the component, binding the sheets array, and you're good to go. It supports exporting to Excel files. You can also hook into events that allow you to have more manual control over that. And you can import into the spreadsheet using JSON data, for example. Here's an example of that. Just like all the other advanced tools we've been looking at in this chapter, the spreadsheet offers fine-grained toolbar customization. There's a sheet bar that you can control as well that manages sheets conveniently by renaming, duplicating, or deleting them as needed. Just like all the other Kendo UI components, this one offers keyboard navigation and accessibility as first-class citizens. It's a very practical component that can be used in business applications for financial modeling and data analysis, educational platforms for collaborative data management, and of course, enterprise tools that require seamless Excel integration and advanced data manipulation features. In this quick lesson, we're spotlighting AI Prompt, KendoReact's new component built for prompt-driven AI features directly in your app. It's essentially a pre-built prompt bar. Users enter a prompt or choose a suggestion, you forward it to your model, and the response is rendered for follow-up. It comes as part of the conversational UI package alongside the chat component and is part of KendoReact Premium. Some of the included features are suggestions to guide users with ready-made prompts, commands like / shortcuts or hotkeys, events such as on-prompt request to handle prompt submission and responses, and you also have full customization capability from replacing the input field to styling the layout. Integrating with models like ChatGPT is straightforward. Listen for prompt requests and send them to your LLM endpoint and render the response. The component manages suggestions, loading states, and output formatting for you. You can use AI prompt on its own or pair it with a chat component to create a full AI assistant or support bot or whatever AI text generation you want. One quick note, AI prompt is a premium feature. Just activate the license once and rebuild to remove the watermark. I show you how to do this in this course. Congratulations, you finished the course. We've covered some basic and advanced components that you can use to develop your own applications, and you'll discover more as you continue learning. I'm glad you joined me on this journey on learning how to use KendoReact components and features. My name is Alex Ziskind. You can find me on X. I'm @Digitalix over there. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using KendoReact.